Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson, and today we continue with our discussion on transport in plants, and specifically we are looking at the structure and function of xylem tissues. So xylem tissue is made of two types of cells, or two groups of cells. The first one is called xylem vessels, and the second is called tracheids. So basically we can say that xylem tissue is made of two groups of cells, i.e. the xylem vessels and tracheids. Now, we are going to start with the first one, which is the xylem vessels. Now, the cells that make the xylem vessels, one is that they are dead. They are dead cells. And the reason why those cells are dead is to prevent them from absorbing water. Remember, the work of the xylem is to transport water and mineral salts. So those cells should not take in water. They should just conduct water, or they should just let the water pass. So basically, we can say that the xylem vessel has the following adaptations. One is that the cells are dead to prevent absorption of water during transportation. And then the xylem vessels are hollow and tubular. They are hollow inside and tubular to allow or you can say to create a continuous passage of water and mineral salts. Number C, the xylem vessels are lignified, stroke deposited with lignin to prevent them from collapsing. And this deposition of lignin to strengthen the walls and hence prevent them from collapsing is done in different patterns. The lignin is deposited in different patterns, what we call the patterns of lignification. In various patterns called patterns of lignification, which includes these patterns of lignification includes, we shall draw them. So assuming this is the xylem, it's a hollow tube. There is a certain pattern of lignification where the lignin is deposited in annular rings. So we call this annular thickening. We have another one whereby the xylem is deposited with lignin in form of spiral rings. So this one is called simple spiral thickening. Still have another one. So this one is called multiple spiral. So this is called reticulate. It's called a reticulate thickening. And then finally, we have another one. This one is called the pitted vessel. So these are called bordered pits. So basically, we've seen that the xylem tissue is made of two groups of cells. We have talked about the xylem vessels, and we have mentioned the tracheids. Then we have said the xylem vessels, their adaptations, their characteristics, they are dead cells. And of course, they are dead to prevent them from absorbing water during transportation. The cells are hollow inside and tubular to create a continuous passage of water and mineral salts. They look like pipes. And then also they are lignified or deposited with lignin to prevent them from collapsing, to strengthen the walls so that they do not collapse. And we have also seen that there are different patterns of lignification. And these patterns are as follows. There is annular thickening. We have the simple spiral, multiple spiral, reticulate thickening, and pitted vessel. So these are what we are calling the patterns. So the assignment, the first question, name the two groups of cells that form the xylem tissue. Two, state two adaptations of xylem vessels. Number three, draw and name 5 patterns of lignification. Draw and name 5 patterns of lignification. So we'll stop there. and continue next time. See you.